I'm gonna plug it in and try it now, guys. I can't wait. So, alright. So let's see if this will work good. Okay. Okay. Need to find a... Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a haul video, so in today's video I'm gonna be sharing some of the items I purchased at the store today, since everything is now open in my area, the stores, the restaurants. So I grabbed myself a few items that I like from the store. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I didn't really plan to just go shopping today. I went to the furniture store today, and right next to it is my favorite store, one of my favorite stores. So I went in the TJ Maxx stores, and surprisingly they didn't restock anything. Like, I only had a few options. It wasn't a pleasant shopping experience, to be honest. So I don't know, I felt like I had to buy something because I miss shopping. I don't know, I think most girls love shopping anyway. Not all, but most, like me. This is the first thing that I grabbed because it's small. It is small. So yeah, I found this gem. I think it's really cute, and it matches my shirt right now. So it's an earring. I don't know what it's made from, probably plastic, but it looks like wood. And it's on sale for $8. And let's try it on. I'm gonna put it on now. You guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. Alright, so the next thing is of course it's summer and I need a new swimsuit, and I found this one. It's a one piece and the brand is Tracy. Alright, I love the color, guys, and this is size 6. Original price was $108, and I got it for 20 bucks, guys. $20 right there. So I didn't really try it on, to be honest, guys, because I wasn't comfortable to go in the fitting room where it's, you know, kolob. Like, you know, I'm still paranoid with the, you know, things that are going on right now. So I don't want to get sick, and yeah. So I decided not to try it on and just buy it, wash it. And then I got a shirt. It's pink, Calvin Klein. I found this at men's section, but I'm not sure if this is for men. This is size small. I like the color. I fell in love with the color. It's pink and it's cute, and I always wear t-shirts, guys. And ayun. Lagi ako nagsusuot ng t-shirt ng size ng lalaki kasi coffee scrub. It's a body scrub. I've been looking. I ran out of a body scrub, and honestly I didn't like the idea of the coffee. I mean, I didn't like the smell of the coffee on my skin, but I don't know why. I got curious. It says coffee and roses. I smell it a little bit when I was there, but let's smell it again. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if my camera is focusing good or not. Okay, let's smell. It does really smell like coffee, like literally coffee, with a little bit of floral smells. Smells sweet, that's all I can say. I'm curious, and hopefully it'll work out. And since I have the body scrub, I also found this one. My camera died. I hate when my camera does that. I have to repeat everything I said. But anyway, okay. So since I got a body scrub, I also found this facial scrub for the face. Okay, to exfoliate the face, I guess. Let's smell it. I didn't smell it. I just grab it. Oh, it looks okay. It's not dry, guys. It's like creamy. Okay. How do you use this one? Scoop a small amount onto hands or sponge. Apply on the face and gently rub in circular motions. Rinse off with warm water. Okay. Ooh. Oh, wow. It smells so good. I'm already smelling it. Okay. Think I am excited to try this one. And guys, I'll let you know the result. Kung hiyang ba siya sa akin. Nakaching ako. Bigla ko nakaching. Ano ba yan? Okay. I'm not gonna open it right now all the way through with me. Ayan siya. It looks like this, guys. It's nice and it smells so good. Fruity. I can smell the grapefruit in here. And of course, I got myself some snacks because I love eating. So I picked up this one. It says David's cookies, double chocolate chip, pecan melt away. So let's see if it looks good. I hope. Ooh, what is that? Clean up. There you go. Ooh, they look yummy. Let me try. Okay, let me try now. They look like mini donuts though. But they are cookies. So, lots of like powdered sugar or something. It's so good. Okay. That's why I keep gaining weight, because I can't stop eating. It's not that sweet, but just really good. Parang pulburon, guys. Parang pulburon. And then I got this slippers from Spade. Now you know my size, guys. Okay, I'm wearing size 7. So I got this one for $25. It was $45. Good price. Last thing I got is this diffuser, oil diffuser. And I had one, which is a good brand. I forgot what brand was it. It's a gift. A Christmas gift 2 years ago, and it's been working good until like a few months ago. It's just stopped working. I don't know why. It's just stopped working. And I like when my room smells good, you know. It's a cheaper kind. This is only $12.99. Comes with a free eucalyptus oil. Misting diffuser transforms water and essential oil into fragrant mist. Light mode, run time up to 8 hours continuous. Oh, that's good. And automatic safety shut off. Okay, I need that. I like that. That it will automatically shut off when it ran out of water. And water capacity is 200 ml. Okay, sounds good. Okay, I can't wait to try this tonight. So this is what it looks like. It's cute and it will light up. Hindi natin siya. Lagyan natin. Uy, ilan na napatak ko. Uy, naku, dami ko napatak. Hindi ko kasi makita. Okay. How cool is that? Cool. Alright. I am very satisfied now, guys. And I'm just hoping that it will last long. it will last longer than the one I had before. Lasted for about 2 years, so hopefully it's cheap. I mean, di naman kawalan siguro if masira siya kaagad. So alright, so I hope you like this video, guys, and if you do like this kind of video, I hope you give it a thumbs up, and hope to see you guys on my next video. I probably do vlogging a lot more now, so yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.